Now, here's conversation with the Merlin app that I talked about in the video. Now, you're seeing this in a little different way. Check this out. It goes through everything that I asked it and it puts it in a different kind of format. Check it out. So now I originally asked from what you're seeing on the promotions folder of my email, give me an understanding and idea of which ones are the most legit and how can I leverage them to make money. So I'm going to be showing you the same thing. So as you notice, we went through it all and we showed it in this particular way. Now, the Merlin app was able to put it all together. It says, hey, the McKinsey and Company communications. And then it tells us exactly why that is working. It goes through all of these different things that it saw. And if you saw the video, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Or if you're inside one of my communities, then you'll see exactly how I laid this out and show you how you can literally take just bits and pieces of information and use some apps to put it all together. Okay, so now we went through it all like this. Then I continue to ask it various questions. Because this thing sits on your computer and is able to see what you see, it then can give you this information in a whole different way. We don't have to chat GPT this thing because we don't have to take it from somewhere, paste it on anything else, clip it, or paste it, and all that kind of stuff, right? We get all past that because it rides literally on your Chrome browser. So here it is. I continue to ask it questions, and it's giving me just gold after gold after gold after gold. And these are the things that are going to help us put cash in our pockets. Here it is. So then I says, okay, based on this, what does your research suggest is the largest target audience? All right, that's one of the key things. I wanted to narrow some stuff down for us. And in the video, I kind of break it out and I show you step by step. So it did it. It went through all of this information and just gave us gold, gold, gold. Then the next thing I says, okay, which one should I target first? You don't even have to spell right if you notice here, I'm not spelling right. But the point is that it gets it. Okay, it says, I think you should do this. This right here, everybody, is how we're going to make money. It's because it's telling us what we should do instead of having to guess ourselves. It gave us in the previous piece, it gave us the size of the market. So now you're getting a chance to see your total addressable market. If you ever heard that term, TAM, and then it tells you, well, based on what people seem to be talking to you about or sending you information on, this seems to be what you're interested in. So if you ever had the question, what should I do next? Well, sometimes all we have to do is look at our email inboxes and it will tell us. We're going to use a little bit of AI. We're going to pull out that data, but now we don't have to guess anymore on what to do next. Then it goes even further, everybody. I'm going to tell you, this is the magic of it. It says, okay, let's go a little bit further. It says, which one should I target first? That's what I asked. It says you should target aspiring digital entrepreneurs or specifically 9-to-5 employees looking for side hustles. This happens to be the space that I'm in. Based on what I'm already getting information about, based on how I've built on an expertise as the Monetize Your Life guy, based on all of this, it's now condensing that information and telling us what to do next. I'm going to suggest that it can do the same thing for you. Go ahead. I'm going to leave links for you to grab the Merlin app, and I'll show you how to use it so that you can put cash in your pockets too. Let's talk then.